You're doing really good. You got it?
Yay!
Okay. Come on. You're doing really good. I got you. I'm right.
I don't need any help.
Okay. Are we swimming? Oh, ew. Ew, look at that. Ugh. Aquatic insect. Nasty. Okay, now I got you going this way. Oh, look at you.
I'm walking.
You're going to be in the Olympics. You're so good at that. You want to go out here? Here. Come on.
We got a slowly to
Look
say.
at us. Woo. Adam and Mommy swimming.
I'm all right.
Okay. I'll get you again. You got it? You got it? Good job. Okay. Look at me, smile. Say, I'm swimming. Oh.
I'm swimming.
I love you, Adam.
I love you.
You got it. Come here.
I don't need
Okay.
help.
Okay, you got it. Good